I'm excited to be back. I've got unboxings. First, I want to show you guys my new t-shirt. Look at this. It's so cute. It says, I'm not weird. I'm just more creative than you. It's actually an anime shirt, but it fits the dolls. I really want to make a doll to look just like this. Anyway, I'm so excited to be here. It's one of my freebie dolls. I know it. I can feel it. I'm so excited to open this. And this is just another thing that I got from AliExpress that I thought I would open too. Kind of a surprise. Okay. What are we waiting for? Let's get to this. Get you a glass of wine. Get you a glass of Dr. Pepper. Whatever turns you on. And let's get to opening up some doll boxes.
Do not open.
But I do not. Oh man, I'm just got the muscles here.
Beware.
It's in a box. Says Lottie ball jointed doll, made in China. AliExpress ball jointed doll, and it came from the store called China BJD shop. Okay, or just China BJD. It says sealed for you. For freshness, I don't know. Anyway, I'm excited. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. There are a couple of cards. It says, the only love for BJD. Certificate of authenticity, Lottie ball jointed character figures. And it shows model, certificate code, nothing's wrote in there. She comes with extra hands. Kind of a little symbol thing there. I don't know what that is. And a Lottie symbol thing. Little adhesive things. And a sponge to keep her clean. These little symbols. These little hands are cute, but she's a string doll, I do believe, so if I show you with her extra hands, it'll be later on. I'm not really sure what these little things are for. I don't know if this is something to have you to stick it on the doll or something. I don't know. But here's the doll. Oh my gosh, look, she's so tiny. Look at her cute little sad little puffy face. Oh, she's so adorable. Her face is not protected, probably because she doesn't have a face up. Wrap her. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Definitely is a string doll. That is so super cute. Let's see. I can get her to. Oh. Look at that. She is so cute. Her elbows. Oh. Oh, look at that little face. Look, she's so cute. Wonder how. So cute, 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 cute. I think she's so cute. And I will put a link to the China BJD store for her. Look at that. That is so cute. She is crazy cute. Crazy, crazy cute. Are you gonna sit up there or not? Maybe not. Come on, girl. You can sit up. Or maybe not. There you go. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. She's so cute. She is super cute. Oh, guys. She's so adorable. I'm hoping because she's so white that her color or her details are not going to be bleached out. Got measuring tape. I want to measure her. A little over 6 inches tall. Or pretty close to 6.5 inches tall, which makes her like around 15.5 centimeters. She would look cute dressed like the anime doll on my t-shirt. She won't have the anime eyes, but she would look cute in that kind of outfit. She's really cute. Let's see what you can do, girl. Show them what you can do. What can you do? Peace. Oh, I propped her up, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Okay. I still think she's cute. She didn't sit down very well, though. Got her hand, a hand back there. Oh, that's not her comfortable position. Oh, she's so cute. I'm so afraid because from the camera view, the way it looks like her features are all bleached out on this video. So that's kind of a concern. Oh my God! Look at the dust bunnies! What are you guys doing under there? Come on out. Alright guys, you're busted. Enough of this is enough. When you first came to this house, you were ugly dolls too, before we made you beautifully jagged dolls. So give the new doll a chance. We're gonna make her a beautifully jagged doll too. Okay, this is how it's going to go in the giveaway. COVID. It's going to cause a lot of people to have to stay home on Halloween. I'm sad. Everybody's sad because I love Halloween and it's going to be on a Saturday night and I hope everybody does get to have fun. But if you don't and you want to be safe and you're going to stay home, here's what you can do so you're not bored. We've collaborated with some other doll YouTubers who do unboxings, who do face-ups, who do DIYs, who do all kinds of stuff. And I got a little carried away. Behave. Okay, anyway, we collaborated with some other YouTubers that do doll videos, and we're all going to do one with a Halloween theme, and we're going to add to the video hashtag dolls of Halloween, and I will list that a link below this video for you to click on. And what's going to happen is we're going to make videos, and then on Halloween night, on October 31st, we will have all these videos available for you so you can go on them and binge watch and have a lot of fun Halloween. So get your Halloween candy out, popcorn balls, and your caramel apples, and sit in front of that computer or TV screen and binge watch. Okay, I hope you guys liked the video. Oops. Got to sit her back up. She likes to fall down. Can you sit there? So Lottie. Isn't Lottie cool? Did I show you guys how her head is magnetized? If you remove it, back there is where you get to the string and to her eyes. You see that back there? I know she's going to be bleached out probably pretty bad. It's going to be really hard to see all her facial features. I want to drink your blood. Looks like somebody already drank her blood, doesn't it? She's pretty white. All her blood's been sucked right out. Okay, anyway. I hope you guys like this video of Lottie, the doll from the China BJD shop from AliExpress. She's cool. She's very articulated. I love her. She's under $50. I recommend her. If you're interested in purchasing her, I will leave a link to her underneath this video. So go down, click on it, and give her some looks and see all the information about her. She's really cool. Now, let's get to some good stuff. Gonna get to a giveaway. That's right. I know. I said, I'm not gonna do a giveaway. I'm not going to give a giveaway until I reach 500 subscribers. I don't have 500 subscribers. But you guys are going to get this video out. You're going to pass it on to your family and your friends. And we're going to get more subscribers. By Halloween night, we're going to have 500. I can feel it in my bones. I can feel it down into my bones. I want to drink your blood. Okay. Anyway, we are going to do a giveaway starting now. Well, I mean, we're not going to give away right now, but you can enter starting now until October 30th at midnight. Ooh, I want to drink your blood. Okay. I'm done. Sort of, kind of, maybe. Okay, so anyway, guys, what do you win? These really cool bags worth $10, $15 each, and maybe more because you can't get them anymore. One of them is from Bleach, Trick or Treat Fairy Tale Anime. And they're totally cool. And somebody's going to get this one and somebody's going to get that one. Not this one because this one's mine. I ain't sharing, it's mine. It looks like Kiki all grown up. I like it. Okay, the main prize is going to be this baby. This creepy doll who wants to drink your blood. Oh, okay. Anyway, Pat painted her. She is so cute. What mama wouldn't love this baby? Look at that. Isn't she adorable? And I did this. I got the wire. It's like a wire stroller, pram, whatever you want to call it. You can see in there, it's just wire stuff. And I did this to it. This is what I did. I love it. I think it turned out absolutely adorable. I aged it. I added the chain. I added everything. Everything you see here, besides the wire, I did. For any doll collector, you got to have a Halloween piece. Even if you're not into creepy dolls, you got to be into Halloween. Come on. So anyway, she is our main giveaway. Her value is $75 with the whole thing. So that's a great prize. So how you're going to enter this is you're going to go to our Facebook group page, and that's right, to our group page. The group page is BJD Beautifully Jagged Dolls. And you'll find out from there how you can enter the giveaway. We're excited about the giveaway, and that's going to be on Halloween night, and you can find it by typing in the search in YouTube, hashtag Dolls of Halloween. Ooh. Don't forget, there's going to be all kinds of videos that night with the collaboration, and you're going to get to see DIY Halloween videos, unboxing. I don't know what all that everybody's came up with, but I'm sure there's going to be some really fun videos to watch. I'm excited about watching the videos. I hope you're excited about watching the videos. But we will do a premiere. Yay! We'll notify you a day to a few hours before the video is released when we do the drawing on October 31st. And remember, we get to do some live chat together before the video starts on the countdown. Yay! So show up early and to do the winner and to announce who the winner is. So get out there and enter the contest. Hope you like the video. I hope you like Lottie. Hope you like the creepy baby doll. You can name her yourself when you get it, if you win it, and put that in the same way. This doll, she's not very nice. You definitely want to know when this video, the giveaway video, is going to come out on October 31st, so you can see who won. And if it's you, it could be you. That's right, you could win. Yes, you can. Oh, yes, you can. And again, subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. If you're new or you just subscribed, welcome to the Jacket family. Yay! All right, guys. See you October 31st. Maybe before then even. I don't know. We'll see. You never know about me, do you? That's right. Okay. Tell them bye.